Hi, I'm Twisha. I'm studying CS and Finance at Penn.
I'm Gauri. I'm studying Applied Math and CS at Princeton.
We're building Strata, on-device AI that turns an inspector's sidewalk into finished documentation. What problem are we solving?
This started with my dad. He works in hydraulics, and the write-up took longer than the inspection. The core problem is that inspectors don't find out something is wrong until they've already left the site. Photos on a phone, notes on paper, and everything gets typed into the system hours later.
And cloud AI doesn't work out there. Substations have no signal, and facilities won't let equipment data leave the network. So we put the AI on the device. An inspector photographs equipment, and it reads the nameplate, catches defects, and flags what's missing while they're still standing there, fully offline, and nothing leaves the phone.
Hi, everyone. I'm Gauri, studying Applied Math and CS at Princeton.
And I'm Twisha, and I'm studying Computer Science and Finance at Penn.
We've been building together since high school, and today we're building Strata, on-device AI for industrial field inspections. So Strata started with my dad. He works in hydraulics, and the write-up always took longer than the inspection. He'd go back to the office, find a blurry photo or misreading, and someone would have to drive back out. So we called and emailed HVAC, hydraulics, and inspection companies to find out if it was just him, and turns out that it was the same story almost every single call.
Software hasn't solved this yet because the work happens in substations, tunnels, places with no signal, where security policy forbids equipment data from ever leaving the network. In these environments, the cloud isn't just slow, it's forbidden. Every tool in the market currently organizes the data after someone types it in once they're back on network. None of them help capture it correctly directly on the site. So we run the intelligence on the device itself. Here's how it works. The inspector can start their inspection by inputting details about themselves and the inspection. Then they can build their own template for their specific use case. Then they can follow the workflow to mark their location, upload sitemaps, add pins, record voice notes that get synthesized right on the spot. And then lastly, the most important piece, photograph equipment, serial numbers, and Strata understands all of this right away. It detects defects and flags anything missing while they're still standing in front of the asset. So by the time they walk off the site, the report is already written. All of this runs offline with no information leaving the device. And that's the real difference between us and everyone else in this space. When they say offline, they mean a form you can fill out without signal and sync later. When we say offline, we mean the intelligence itself runs with no connection. So we're not only collecting data to be looked at later, but we're providing insights on the spot in report-ready form.
So we started a few months ago, and every feature since then has been pulled by customers rather than pitched to them. Running offline and keeping the data on the network were never our ideas. They were our customers' requirements. So this summer, we went full-time at TekTrek in San Francisco. And the biggest achievement that we got was that we signed an integration contract with FieldWire, one of the 3 largest construction management platforms acquired by Hilti. And our first customer, Buckhaven Construction, came to us after a single intro call. So we sized this bottom up. There are 234,000 firms in the United States across 4 different segments: HVAC, hydraulics, utilities, and construction services. And every single one of them has people walk on sites every single day. And our initial distribution problem is already solved. Our gateway into this market is through FieldWire, which hosts more than 4 million construction projects, and our integration contract puts Strata inside software that these firms use every single day. So US inspections alone are a $340 million annual market, and that's just the low end. Inspection is only the first job. From here, the same technicians do maintenance visits and service calls with the same broken paperwork, so our product can just expand from there.
Our North Star is a general-purpose, on-device platform that serves as the intelligence layer between the physical world and digital systems, everywhere physical work meets a system of record. And this summer taught us what that layer looks like. Customers wanted the documentation gone, but no two wanted it the same way. So we built both paths. Findings land in Strata backend, our own management software, or sync straight into the systems that teams already use. Wherever they land, the intelligence runs where the work happens, not in a data center. Thank you.